Hi Bullet, happy birthday from Kuya Tata and Fien. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye.
Hi Beshi, happy legality, happy birthday. I hope yun ako sa imong birthday ko man, pero unun sa ta, layo sa kita. Pero nevertheless, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you cherish this moment. And yeah, I remember those days na ato pa nistoryahan na mag-party sa Cebu, mag-iba ng badminton, mag-zip over, sabay pagin maligo, hala. Anyways, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope that you know that I love you so much. Miski layo kita, know that I am always here for you. I will always be the one call away friend. And there are times na dugay ako ma-reply, but I hope you know that ma-reply dagad ako sa imo. May ako dagad gibuhat na niyaon or yakalimot ako, pero ma-reply dagad ako sa imo. Anyways, I love you so much and I hope you enjoy your day.
Hi Let, happy birthday. Sayang wala ako sa 18th birthday celebration. Bro, that's okay. Pawid ako. I'll see you soon. Thank you for being strong. I know it wasn't easy for you. And I hope dili ka mo wala ng faith ug hope kay God kay we are nothing good without God. And tagaan ka ni God ng hataas na kinabuhi. More birthdays to come. Good health always, and the wisdom. I miss you so much. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bullet. God bless. Have a good life. Have good health. I miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bullet. I miss you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, gang! We miss you. We love you. Have a good birthday. Have a good health always. And may God bless you more and have many more birthdays to come. Yoy!
Happy birthday, gang! Love you! Greetings from London! Happy birthday, Bullet!
Happy Bullet Day! Happy birthday, Happy Bullet!
Yes, we wish you all the best in life, more blessings, and good health especially, okay?
Enjoy your day! Enjoy your Happy Bullet Day!
Yeah, hope to see you soon. That is sa London or sa Canada, okay?
Puhon.
Love you! Bye-bye!
Hey Bullets! Happy birthday! I love you!
Hello, Bullet. Happy 10th birthday. We love you. Enjoy your day. From Australia with love, Tioy Pongpong, Mami Tet, and Ati Daki. God bless, Pangga. Take care.
Birthday to you. Look up a birthday to you. Birthday. A birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kaka. Happy birthday, Ate Bullet. I love you. Happy see you on Canada. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bullet! We love you! Hope to see you here soon!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Bullet. Have a good health, good luck, and we hope to see you in Canada. Love you.
How about you, look? What will you say?
Thank you.
What will you say to Ate Bullet?
Bye-bye.
Hello, gang. Happy birthday. On this special day, I want you to know that Lulu Boy and Lula Lilo are very much proud of you because of your beauty and especially in singing. Now, you are 18 years old. Continue to be good to your tatay and nanay, and also to Ate Kikay, because you are very, very lucky to have them all. You know that. I know that God will continue to bless and be with you, look after you, not only today, but always. Just keep the faith always and keep on praying, and may the best things in your life keep coming on your way, and I hope you'll be happy, enjoy on your birthday celebration. We always love you. Amping kanunay. Labi na sa imong health. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Pangkoy. I hope you will be happy in celebrating your 18th birthday today. And I am so very thankful to God na niabot ka sa among kinabuhi, sa among ni nanay, ni ate. And you are so very precious to us. Just be in mind always that whatever comes to our family, makaya ra nato na siya, especially you. I know that you are very strong. You are brave enough to face all the challenges in life. As you come into this teenager age, I hope you will continue to be good to us. We trust in you, we have faith in you, and continue to be prayerful to God. And lastly, excited na ko magkauban ta diri pohon sa Canada. See you soon, Palangga. Once again, happy birthday. Love you, miss you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pangkoy. I love you and I miss you so much. See you soon. Happy na kita mag-iban na nga. Bye-bye.